Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique. So today we're going to see how to create a Venom Instagram reel using a Venom filter on Instagram. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below and we just move on to the video. So to get the Venom filter, just open your Instagram reel, then click on the effect option here. So after clicking the effect option, you just click on the search option here and just type as Venom Carnage. So you can see the first filter I just talking about. So this filter make an excellent Venom filter effect. So it was so amazing other than other filters. You can see there are four type of fill effect here. The first effect, by snapping, you just tap on the screen, the Venom will be on your face, and you just can tap here by tapping the screen. The Venom face lightly open, and if you tap again, it will be closely closed. In this filter there are four type of Venom. You can click and use every Venom type. So this is one of the Venom type, and this is another type, third one. So the Venom will be here, and this is the fourth type, it will be on red. So there are totally four Venoms, and which Venom you'd like, you can easily transform into Venom by clicking some creative videos, creative ideas. You can make a super trend video by using this Venom filter. Just try this filter and make a viral and creative Instagram reel for your Instagram follows and views and likes. Friends, if you find this video really useful, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and like this video, share this video with your friends, and we'll meet on next video with valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique.